Okay, the next concept is about namespace. So earlier we talked about class. Now we're going to talk about namespace. So you've noticed that in line 15 and 22, we have two different type of namespace, and each have a different label, first space and second space. They each have different function, although they name the same name function, but they both see out like inside first space for the first namespace, and the second space it see out inside second space. Now we have two namespace. We want to use them to get get them output and the main function, which is what I did right here. I call the function of the namespace of both of them. So if we just run this program, we should get inside first space and inside second space calls. So next lecture, I'm going to talk about the templates.